How to remove card details from Amazon. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can remove your card details from Amazon, so just make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to remove your card details from Amazon, then all you have to do is simply go here and first of all launch the Amazon Shopping app. Once you launch the Amazon Shopping app, you're going to see this type of interface where you have to tap the profile icon from here. Once you tap the profile icon, you need to scroll and then simply look for the option called Your Payments, as you can see. So once you go to the option called Your Payments, over here you'll find an option which is your cards. So you want to tap the three dots icon here, and as you tap the three dots icon over here, you'll find the edit button. Tap the edit button, and as you tap the edit button here, scroll down to the bottom, tap on the option called Remove from Wallet, tap on the remove button, and your card will get successfully removed. This is how you can remove your card details from Amazon. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.